shoes or sandals, and they do them by their hands and with the help of this machine. You can imagine how an African has gone far. What they only need is a little kind of help, maybe to improve on. Yes. But they have the knowledge, they have the skill, they have made very good look. You can imagine this kind of a shoe, Mr. CEO. This is your very good adventure, very good adventure. They only need some sort of financial assistance and they can do better. As you can see here, they have parts. These are already made. These are already stocked. What they only losing, like right now, is market where to take these shoes to sell. Though they are trying to establish market across the globe in Uganda and other countries. So, just like I said, the foundation is doing well. And as the director of Heart Uganda, I'm happy. Thank you. We are going to be showing you very many things. From here, we are going to the nursery school, where we shall see the orphans. For now, I beg you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you so much, Brother Onono Felix from Heart, for coming to visit us. May God bless you.
You are welcome.
Yeah, thank you so much. This young man is trying to fix something here to come up with a shoe.
Thank you for the opportunity that has been given to me. And by now, as I speak, I want to simply, briefly explain how this machine works and the same procedures that you're going to see is the way how it works or functions. Here, on my left hand, there's a switch. You switch it on. After switching it on, you wait for some few minutes. It has its own switch besides this one. You switch it on also, and if you have some object that you want to start
Operating or working upon?
Yeah, or working upon, you use your leg, the right leg. This one. Yes, this one. You push. You push with your right leg. Then you start operating. You rotate this round, this circular thing here. Then you simply press the machine and it will start moving or operating.
Let it operate and we see.
Okay. It operates like this.
Okay.
Dukola twatya inatwala gimira.
Naisa ko